Hi everyone, my name is Amber. Welcome back to the EnvyWigs YouTube channel. Fall is here and nothing says cozy chic quite like the right hair color. This month we are going to do a few color spotlights all around fall colors. Today we're diving into one of my favorite blondes from Envy's blonde collection. This one right here is Creamed Coffee. I'm wearing this beautiful shade on the new Molly wig. How gorgeous are these polished waves? We did do a full review on Molly, so you'll have to check that out. But this video isn't about Molly, this is about Creamed Coffee. With Creamed Coffee, you have a rooted, rich brown base. This really grounds the color and adds depth. And then you have chocolate and cinnamon tones. This gives you warmth that feels cozy for fall. And let me get a little close up so you can see that strawberry blonde dimension. This gives you that unexpected brightness with that touch of fun sparkle that really softens up the warmth. That strawberry blonde woven in makes this shade incredibly versatile. Not too dark and not too light. It flatters so many skin tones because it balances that warmth and brightness. Think of a latte with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. That's the vibe of Creamed Coffee. It's warm, it's comforting, but still has that brightness that helps you transition from summer to fall. You have the depth for those warm, cozy sweaters and that pumpkin patch selfie, but you have the highlights and brightness for those holiday parties. Now, Molly's waves really help bring out the light play of this color. Every turn of the curl matches another tone. Chocolate, cinnamon, strawberry blonde. It really glows in the autumn sun. Now, Envy's blonde collection isn't just about one flat color. It's about dimension and realism, which is why Creamed Coffee really delivers. And even though we're focusing on Creamed Coffee in this video, I do want to point out that this beautiful Molly wig has Envy's SoSoft cap construction. So yes, the color is stunning, but Molly's wearability, it makes it even that much better. So if you are looking for that blonde that's grounded yet still glows, Creamed Coffee might be the perfect fall transition shade. Would you wear Creamed Coffee in the fall, or do you prefer deeper brunettes and reds? Let us know, comment below, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Go follow us on our social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook, and go join our Envy Insiders group on Instagram. And stay tuned for the next fall color spotlight. See you later.